Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how you set up and use the new email program in the back office. So you would go over to your campaigns tab, scroll down to the bottom, and it's called newsletter in this one. First thing you've got to do is create a template to send out your emails on. So I'm going to go to all templates. There's nothing here. I'm going to create a new template, and I'm going to call this template 1. And what I would like to do is just have a basic email template. At the top I'll put to you this email web browser. Click here. Click here. Okay, and at the footer I'll put to unsubscribe. Please click here. You should definitely make sure you have this in your emails, because if people can't unsubscribe and they complain, your emails can be blacklisted and they won't get through. So make sure that this is there. Now, this link is not there here yet, or this one is not there yet either. So what we've got to do is scroll down here, and you can see the web version. Copy this, okay, and come up here, and in the, where's the links? Here's the link right here. Insert a link, paste the URL, and it is a URL, okay. Hit OK. So when you click the link here, make sure the protocol is set to other, okay. It's not an actual HTTP or FTP site, so make sure it's set to other. So web version set to other, hit OK. Similarly, this link, come down here and the unsubscribe link, copy this, make sure you copy everything in the brackets, and come back up, insert that link, paste. Again, the protocol is other, hit OK. Now you can spread this out a little bit more, and that, what I'll do is I'll center this, okay, and I'll even make this a little bit smaller. Adjust the font size here. Let's make it that small. Same deal with this. And now I'm able to put the body of my message inside of the email, but I'm going to save this template first. Okay, so now this is saved, all right? Now what needs to be done every time you start a new campaign, you would hit new campaign and select template. You'd be able to select that template. As you can see, I can do that now. So when you're setting this up, the first thing you're going to need to do is verify the email that it's coming from, and this is the way it works. I'm just going to set this up to do a test. So I'm just going to put like a test message here. Let's put test message, okay. And this is, I'm going to say, business. You put your own business name there. Okay, this is the from email and the reply to email. Okay, this email you need to have access to, because the system sends out a confirmation link to make sure this is your actual email, and you need to confirm that, and then you'll be able to use this email to send email campaigns. Okay, so I'm going to come down here. I just, like I said, just put a test message in for right now. I'm going to hit save and next. And now it says unverified email. A verification email has been sent. So now I'm going to open up my email program. And you can see it there. I just received this email. And what I've got to do is confirm, hit the URL. My email has now been confirmed. When I come back over to the platform here, I just refresh the page. Come back here, hit the edit button. And now when I save and next, you'll see it's been saved. Now I am able to use this email and use this as my marketing email campaign builder. Okay, so I will just hit I can hit a test email here. So I'm going to send a test email to myself, and you can see the different lists you have. I'm going to get into the list in a few minutes, and then I can just hit the send newsletter. Oh, I apologize. Test. So now a test has been sent. I'm not sending it kind of in my list. There you go. That's essentially how you set this email builder up. So you need to verify the email address, create a template, make sure your template has the unsubscribe link. You can put more things in the footer if you want, your address, phone number, blah, blah, blah. You can make it as pretty as you want. That's up to you, but you need to set it up in this manner. Otherwise, it won't work. The email needs to be verified. So this is the email for, this is the video on how to set up the email program. I'm going to jump into, on the next video, how to use the program. All right. Thanks for watching.